POV, you are my peasant.
Welcome, my little peasant. Today we called you in for a very special project. Do you want to know what it is? Yes? Well, you'll have to be patient. First of all, I need your money. Yes, all of it. Give it to me. First of all, you need to take a shower when you come to see me. You stink. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. We bought you a maid's dress. Yes, I know. But you'll love it. You know why? Because I love it. And I'm your queen. And you're here to serve me. Isn't that right? You're just a little peasant. Try and make it in the big world. Now, go get dressed. I said now. Are you still here? Now go get dressed. And meet me afterwards.
Follow for more roleplay.